Hello, hello, my little stars! Welcome back to Tiny Talk Time, the happy place where kids learn English through fun conversations, funny moments, and lots of smiles. Today's episode is very special because we are going to learn 100 essential English phrases every kid should know. These are phrases you can use every day, at home, at school, with friends, and with your family. And of course, I am not alone. My favorite student is here with me. Hello, Leo.
Hi, Miss Lily. Hi, everyone. Wow, 100 phrases? That sounds like a big adventure, but I'm excited because I want to speak English like a superhero.
And you will, Leo. Today, we will learn step by step, slowly, clearly, and with lots of fun. Kids listening at home, remember, you don't need to memorize everything at once. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy. Let's start with greetings, the first group of essential English phrases.
Oh, I know some greetings, like hello.
That's right, Leo. Let's begin. Repeat after me, dear listeners. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Excellent! These are phrases you can use every day. Now, let's add something friendly. How are you?
How are you?
And a great answer is, I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Or you can say, I'm happy.
I'm happy.
Wonderful! Now let's practice polite phrases, because polite kids are amazing kids.
My mom loves polite words.
Moms always do, Leo. Let's repeat. Please.
Please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Very good. These phrases help you be kind and respectful. Now let's move to simple classroom phrases.
Oh, I like school English.
Great! Repeat after me. Can I go to the bathroom?
Can I go to the bathroom?
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
I understand.
I understand.
Excellent. Now, kids, remember, it's okay to say, I don't understand. Learning is part of the fun. Now let's learn daily action phrases.
Like things we do every day?
Exactly. Repeat after me. I wake up.
I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I play with my friends.
I play with my friends.
Wonderful. Now let's add home phrases.
I love home.
Me too. Repeat. I'm at home.
I'm at home.
This is my room.
This is my room.
I like my bed.
I like my bed.
Where is my toy?
Where is my toy?
Perfect. Now let's make it funny with expressions and feelings.
I like funny English.
Let's go. Repeat after me. I'm tired.
I'm tired.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
I'm sleepy.
I'm sleepy.
I'm excited.
I'm excited.
That's funny.
That's funny.
Yes, English can be funny. Now let's move to friendship phrases.
For my friends?
Exactly. Repeat. Let's play.
Let's play.
Do you want to play with me?
Do you want to play with me?
You are my friend.
You are my friend.
I like you.
I like you.
That's cool.
That's cool.
Great job. Now let's practice simple questions.
I like asking questions.
That's how we learn. Repeat. What is this?
What is this?
What is your name?
What is your name?
How old are you?
How old are you?
Where are you?
Where are you?
Excellent. Now let's answer some of them. My name is Leo.
My name is Leo.
I am 6 years old.
I am 6 years old.
I am here.
I am here.
Perfect. Now let's go to food phrases.
Yum! I'm hungry again.
Repeat after me. I like pizza.
I like pizza.
I like apples.
I like apples.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
I'm full.
I'm full.
Can I have water, please?
Can I have water, please?
Excellent manners, Leo. Now let's learn play and fun phrases.
Yay!
Repeat. Let's go.
Let's go.
That's fun.
That's fun.
I like this game.
I like this game.
It's my turn.
It's my turn.
Your turn.
Your turn.
Amazing! Now let's practice simple commands.
Like teacher words?
Yes, but friendly ones. Repeat. Sit down.
Sit down.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Look at this.
Look at this.
Listen to me.
Listen to me.
Repeat after me.
Repeat after me.
Perfect. Now let's count some number phrases.
Numbers are cool.
Repeat. How many?
How many?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
I have 2 toys.
I have 2 toys.
I am number 1.
I am number 1.
Yes, you are. Now let's learn time phrases.
Like morning and night?
Exactly. Repeat. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good night.
Good night.
See you later.
See you later.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Wonderful. Now let's make a mini conversation using our phrases.
Oh, I like conversations.
Let's try. I say, hello, how are you?
I'm happy.
Do you want to play?
Yes, let's play.
That's fun.
That's fun.
Amazing! You are speaking English. Now, kids listening, you can do this too. Speak out loud, even if you are alone. Now let's learn helpful phrases.
For when I need help?
Exactly. Repeat. Help me, please.
Help me, please.
I need help.
I need help.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Very good. Now let's end our 100 phrases with positive phrases.
Happy phrases.
Always. Repeat. I can do it.
I can do it.
I like English.
I like English.
Learning is fun.
Learning is fun.
I'm learning English.
I'm learning English.
Fantastic. Leo, you just practiced 100 essential English phrases.
Wow, I feel like an English champion.
And you are. Dear listeners, you did an amazing job today. Remember, you don't need to learn everything in one day. Listen again, repeat again, and have fun with English.
And don't forget, friends,
If you enjoyed this episode,
subscribe to our channel
give this video a big like.
and write a comment telling us your favorite English phrase.
We love reading your comments.
See you next time.
Bye-bye, my little stars. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep shining.